Talking to the songbird yesterday, flew me to a past not far away. She's a little pirate in my mind, singing songs of love to pass the time. Gonna write a song so she can see, give her all the love she gives to me. Talk of better days that have yet to come. Never felt this love from anyone. She's not anyone. She's not anyone. She's not anyone.
Hey everybody, it's James here from GoodGuitarist.com, and in today's lesson I'm going to show you how to play Songbird by Oasis in the absolute simplest way possible. This is one of the easiest songs you could learn on guitar, and we're going to do it using super simplified chords and a super simplified strumming pattern, because the whole point is for this to be one of the very first songs you learn and for you to be able to put it all together and play a real song right away. If along the way you find that you need any extra help getting it together, I have a free mini course. It's on my website, goodguitarist.com, that shows you everything that you need to get started, and it's completely free. You know, how to fret the notes, how to hold a pick, how to hold your guitar properly, all the stuff that's going to make a difference in the long run. So please check that out if you haven't already. And with that said, we're going to jump right in with the chord shapes. The first chord that I want to show you is E minor. And to play it, we're going to put our middle finger on the second fret of the A string. That's the second thickest string. So E, A. We're at the second fret, close to the fret as you can go, and then our ring finger goes just underneath it on the second fret of the D string. You're going to have to make a point of curling your fingers with the E minor chord, you know, getting your thumb a bit lower. Just try your best. And then from there, we go to the easy G chord. And it's a really simple switch. We just remove our ring finger. We pivot. So I'm bringing my elbow in, and then I'm going to put my ring finger on the third fret of the thickest string. And we get the easy G chord. So just try that a few times, just pivoting off your middle finger and moving your ring finger from here, the third fret of the thickest string, to here, just underneath your middle finger. Just do that over and over again. If you need extra help with that, I have that mini course. Anyways, that's all we need. Those are all the chord shapes. As far as strumming, we're going to keep it really simple. Just downstrokes only, counting along with the tune. I'm going to get out my metronome to keep a nice steady pace. I have it at 80 beats per minute. That feels good to me. Starting on G, ring finger on the third fret of the thickest string. We're just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. And you'll notice when I was counting, I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. I basically changed beat 1 to a number, and that number is how many times we've counted to 4. You know, we counted to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. We counted to 4 times on the G chord, then we switched to E minor. We counted to 4 times on the E minor chord and switch back to G. That is the entire song. It is that simple. So I want you to really work on that counting. That's one of the most important things. You know, switching chords and stuff, that's important too, but like rhythm and counting and knowing where you are in the song. You know, if you don't know where you are in the song, it doesn't matter if you can play the chords right. You know, it's not going to be the right ones. So definitely work on that. And as far as adding some element of rhythm to this, I want to keep it really simple. I still want to keep it downstrokes only so we can focus on the bigger picture, putting the whole song together. I don't want that to get in the way at this point, but I still want to have some element of rhythm. So what we can do is, instead of strumming downstrokes like this, just straight up downstrokes, we can go. So on beat 1, I'm doing a full downstroke. And then on beat 2, I'm doing a little downstroke. And if you've been following along and you saw the lesson for Born in the USA, when we did it also in a very simple way, we did it the other way around, where the little downstroke is on beat 1 and the big one's on beat 2. Now we're flipping it. So big downstroke on beat 1, little downstroke on beat 2. Big downstroke on 3, little downstroke on 4. And just by changing the intensity of our strokes, we're creating a vibe. It feels a bit more like the tune. So let's try that now with our chord progression, starting out on G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
She's a little pirate in my mind, singing songs of love to pass the time.
Let's do it a little bit faster. Let's, just to have some fun. Let's go to the second verse and let's do it a little bit quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4.
A man can never dream these kinds of things, especially when she came and spread her wings, whispered in my ear the things I like. Then she flew away into the night. Gonna write a song so she can see, give her all the love she gives to me. Talk of better days that have yet to come. Never felt this love from anyone. She's not anyone. She's not anyone. She's not anyone. She's not anyone.
Cool, so that's a super simple way to play Songbird by Oasis. If you're interested in doing it just like they are on the recording, I do have a lesson for that. I'll put a link in the corner. If you need help with the fundamentals, don't forget there's that free mini course. Once again, link in the corner for that too, and down below. Otherwise, have a fun time practicing. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.